You will learn how to change time zone in Windows 11 PC in just few clicks. First is click on the Start menu. Then on clicking on that, click inside the search area and type Settings. Alright, you can see the best match here, select it. Once this opens, you'll be landed on a page that looks like this. The next step you need to take is to click on Time and Language. On clicking on Time and Language, the next step is to click on Date and Time. Once you are here, you will see your current time zone. Currently, I'm using +100 West African time zone. So if you want to choose a different time zone, click here and select any one of your choice. So maybe your interest is UTC -800 Pacific time. That is for US and Canada. Alright, just click that and it applies. You can see currently the time in the United States is 10:05, which is still in the morning. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.